Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I am Nitin Parmar. I welcome you all for this capsule module on world's largest vaccination program. I'm sure you know India started this vaccination program on 16th of January 2021. Remember that date. Okay, in examination you may require it. So today I'm going to discuss about very important issues connected to vaccination. I'm sure you may be knowing it. आपको पता होगा what is vaccine, what is the meaning of vaccination, how does vaccine work. Okay, at the same time I'm going to discuss about couple of important issues connected to this vaccination program. ध्यान से सुनिएगा. First thing is 16th January is what we started. Okay, now here we all know that our country has allowed two vaccine in, you can say, accelerated approval process or emergency use. Okay, so that means these two vaccines like Covishield, which is made outside India, okay, which is basically made by Oxford University along with AstraZeneca, okay, that is being built in India at Pune at Serum Institute. They are developing this Covishield. Okay, so this is you can say a vaccine from outside India, indigenously developed Covaxin, which is developed in India. Okay, this is you can say indigenously developed in India. Now there are 2 points I need to talk about in Covishield. There are two controversies about Covishield. Let's understand one by one. Number one, Covishield has been given approval in emergency use. Okay, remember this both vaccines have to be approved considering the India's logistical requirement. For example, Pfizer's vaccine requires -70, -80 degrees centigrade, you can say, temperature for storage, which is really not possible in Indian circumstances. Okay, and therefore we have this Covishield approved. Okay, now this Covishield, you can say, has been approved based on, you can say, phase 3 trial data of UK and Brazil. Okay, the controversies, always remember this. Okay, number one, there are no enough information available. Phase 3 trial data, okay, phase 3 trial data are of UK and Brazil are there. Okay, and combining them, we are getting aggregate efficacy of 90% of this Covishield, which is 90% efficacy. Okay, now the problem is, that is where the controversy is. Number one, you can say there is no, you can say, testing or the no, you can say, experiments or no trials have been taken in India. And even the trial on which we are relying, that is UK and Brazil, again, how are they clubbed? How are they combined? Nobody knows. Okay. Number two issue with Covishield is, you can say, in India, we have allowed, you can say, bridging analysis. So what did we do? Yes, we don't have any test being done in India. Okay, so we took, you can say, 1600 volunteers. Okay, and on them we are applying this vaccine, and we just got a data of 100 people and we approved it. Okay, this is where the experts say this is a controversy. However, we started on 16th of June. Today is the 25th of 16th of January. Today is the 25th of January. Okay, there is no trouble. We have not found much trouble. So this is pretty okay. This is pretty okay. Okay, understand this. Yesterday I was talking to one of my friends in America. He's a doctor there. Okay, he got him vaccinated through Pfizer vaccine. Okay, he got 11 hours fever. Okay, he was under severe fever for 11 hours. He took various medicines, he took rest, and that's it. Such kind of side reactions are common. Such kind of side reactions are common. They are acceptable. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. If nobody gets that reaction, then there is a problem to identify whether that kind of, you can say, vaccine is effective or not. Okay, so that is Covishield. Coming to Covaxin, remember the controversy as per the experts is Covaxin is, you can say, approved in a clinical stage. There are no phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 trial on the people. Okay, it is in the clinical stage. So there are no lot of data available. That is the reason why Covaxin comes with that, you can say, document to be signed, okay, where whatever will happen to the person who's taking vaccine, okay, will be given complete compensation. Okay, that is where the issue of Covaxin. Okay, okay, I hope it is clear to you. Covishield and Covaxin, okay, in India, in the vaccine part, okay, you don't have a choice. If your name is there currently, no, none of our name will come. It is only the health workers. After government health worker, private health workers will be given this vaccine. Currently, it is going on for the private health workers. However, the problem is, you can say, there is no, you can say, positive intake by large number of people, which is concerning for the government, which is a big concern for the government. I understand it is your right whether you have to take, you can say, vaccine or not. But in the current scenario, I believe that it is a good idea to take vaccine. Okay, it is a good idea to take vaccine. Government also started a call center by 1075. I hope it is clear to you. Great. Okay, coming back to, you can say, this part, that it is initially provided to health worker, followed by it will be given to the old age people, that is beyond 50, and then later on it is available to public at large. However, the people who are below the age of 18, they should not take vaccine. The, you can say, pregnant woman and lactating mother, they should not take vaccine. Yes or no? Okay. People who are allergic reactions to, you can say, some, you can say, issues, they should not take it. This is clearly mentioned. This is clearly mentioned. Okay, for this we developed an online digital platform by the name called CoWIN. CoWIN is an online digital platform developed by ministry. Okay, and this ministry has developed it in a good manner, but somehow some problems are arising in this COVID. Okay, so let's not worry too much about this. As of now, I think it's a digital platform. It will be sorted out very soon. The big problem we have to fight is against COVID. Yes or no? So thereby, to, you can say, break the chain of, you can say, this COVID spreading, we need to rely on this vaccine. Yes or no? And at the same time, those masks and sanitizer, this is very important. Dosto, this is very crucial. I'm sure we all understand what are the vaccines. Yes, what are the vaccines? Vaccines are certain biological preparation. This is Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. Okay, so this is a biological preparation. Okay, so it contains, you can say, some active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. That means it contains, you can say some kind of agent. Okay, this agent is resembling to a disease causing microorganism. So for example, let us say this Pfizer vaccine has aluminum inside. Okay, so that aluminum will be provided. Okay, this is very interesting. So once aluminum gets inside the body, okay, what will happen? The body feels that germ has attacked, so thereby body generates antibodies. Okay, body generates antibodies. Okay, when bodies are generating antibodies, it becomes very crucial that those antibodies are anyway protein. Okay, so this protein, okay, should be delivered in a proper manner. Yes or no? So thereby we need to train it in a proper manner. Remember, vaccination is very simple, safe and effective way of protecting people This is very important. So vaccine is like a school. It teaches our immune system. Yes or no? It teaches our immune system to create these antibodies. Okay. So I think this is very clear. So our body will create, you can say, cytokine, and that will actually attack the, you can say, in future any kind of disease may come in. Vaccine may be given, you can say, through injection, or the new variety which is coming up, which is applied nasally, okay, which will be a game changer. It will spray in the nose and it will be game changer. Okay. So dosto, vaccine is very crucial. It enters into body. Aluminium gives an indication to our body that some foreign particle has come, and they start attacking, that start developing, you can say, some kind of antibodies. So those antibodies are really ready. So whenever a kind of, you can say, a virus or bacteria will enter into our body, whenever virus or bacteria will enter into our body, our antibodies are ready and they will start attacking on them. So there are different types of vaccines available. We have live attenuated vaccine, we have inactivated or killed antigen we can say vaccine. Okay, we have a subunit vaccine, and we have toxoid. Okay, let's understand one by one. Live attenuated vaccine. Now what is it? It contains, you can say, live attenuated virus. Okay, so they are live. Okay, attenuated, the word says it is reduced, its effects are reduced. Okay, okay, they are given to our body. Okay, then there are inactivated, that is killed antigen. Okay, so that virus is killed. Okay, they are killed. These are generally, you can say, whole cell virus. Okay, they are basically, they contain full part DNA and RNA. Okay, while subunit, okay, so basically, let's say this is how the DNA is. Okay, and then out of that one part is removed, which is called RNA. Okay, they only take RNA part of it, which is known as subunit antigen. Okay, they take only that part of the virus which contains message. You know, in DNA, RNA, messenger RNA contains message. The message goes to the cell. Cell automatically develops, you can say, amino acids. Okay, cytokine, they will develop various cells to attack. Okay, so they will only take the RNA. Okay, they will only take RNA. Remember this. Okay, and then there are toxoids. Toxoids are basically the, you can say, similar kind of live attenuated virus. They are similar kind of thing. Okay, I hope this entire idea is clear to you. When India started this vaccination program, yes, which are the two vaccines which are approved, I'm sure everyone knows it. But the controversy part, yes, Covishield and Covaxin, yes, a UK Brazil study, India bridge study, Covaxin clinical approval. Yes, this is important. And type of vaccine: live attenuated, inactivated, subunit, and toxoid. I hope it is clear to you. Great. So my dear students, thank you very much. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. You can say like this video, tell to large number of people to be part of Pro Talent. Thank you very much and all the best.